What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. We are at Concept Custom Shop and we're going to continue the build of hashtag Road to SEMA. We have our LS3 350Z heading to SEMA. Let's get to it. Alright guys, right here we have our rear bumper, and what we're going to do is go ahead and get this ready for paint. There are parts right here that are damaged that have some stress cracks. Right now Alicia Rodriguez is looking also for any other parts that are damaged. On this top part right here, we're going to have to make this hole a little bit bigger because it was hitting our battle arrow wing, and in the corner right here that it was a little bit stress cracked, so we'll get those repaired. Alright, let's get it, man. So right here you can see that the top piece of our battle arrow where it is marked, these are the areas where we're going to be cutting. So I have these masked off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these areas off right here. Same thing with the passenger side. Just go ahead and smooth everything out with a dual action. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so we got the cuts in to bring the squares up about ½ an inch up for the battle arrow, just to have better clearance. Same thing also right here with the passenger side. So what we're going to do is get these sanded out and get these nice and smooth. Okay guys, now we have already repaired both sides of the exit sights for the battle arrow wing. We're going to hit the rear bumper with the dual action sander. Every part's going to be hit and then prepared for paint. Let's get it. Okay guys, so what you're looking here is the back of the rear bumper. We're gonna go ahead and grind around 2 inches around the area where we're gonna be fiberglassing to add rigidity to the rear bumper. There were some stress cracks from the battle arrow wing, so we wanted to go ahead and give it a little bit extra strength. So let's get to work. Now that we have everything sanded down, we're going to go ahead and clean around the whole area with acetone so that the fiberglass can have a better area to adhere to. Alright guys, right here we have the fiberglass laid out in the areas that we're going to be adding it to the rear bumper. We're going to mix up the resin and go ahead and add it onto the fiberglass. Alright ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time to put everything back together. So let's get to work. Okay guys, we finally have one piece of the dash in, and look at this paint. Look at this blue. Colorbond, you guys have really outdone yourself. I love this black and blue combination. I just can't wait to put the rest of the interior in. Look at how perfect this is. It really pops. It's so nice. Alright guys, let's get back to work. Let's put the rest of the interior back in. But first, let's put the roll cage in just to be safe so we don't put a risk of damaging the rest of the parts. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, we now have our blue custom roll cage in. This is a 6-point bolt-on harness that goes from the passenger side to the driver's side. There's one bar that goes across the top part, and there's one that goes right behind us. It's bolted in, so let's continue getting the rest of the interior in, starting with the rear mirror, and put everything else in so it's not scratched and damaged. Let's go. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.